it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. And yes, I'm a day late. So I'm supposed to be uploading this video. I was supposed to upload this video yesterday, but I'm literally recording it right now, and it's Tuesday. So I just am gonna do my weight from this morning instead of yesterday. So this morning when I weighed in, I officially lost 4.7 pounds this week. So guys, I'm talking really fast. It's like I'm literally supposed to be on my way to work, but I was like, I have to get this video uploaded because I can't be a slacker. So even though I already slacked because I'm delayed. Anyways, but yes, this week I lost 4.7 pounds. So you guys know last week I had gained 3.3 pounds. So I was like, actually 3.7 pounds, right? Yeah, so I had gained more. I had gained like an additional 0.2 pounds. Well, I had gained the 3 pounds plus an additional 0.2 pounds. So I was like heavier than when I started. And so this week I lost those 3 pounds plus another one. So I'm down 4.7 pounds. So that is good. I'm trying to think, guys. I'm like in such a rush. Yeah, so I'm down that way. This weigh-in coming up, I think I'm going to be back up because I started my period this week. So I don't know. I think I am, but we'll see. Hopefully not. Fingers crossed. This is week 4. We're starting week 4. So this weigh-in is for week 3, but this would be starting week 4 that we're on currently since it's Tuesday. I'm going to start doing the weigh-ins on Sundays instead, guys, because I just started working, and like trying to upload on Monday before I go to work, it's not looking too promising. So I think I'm just gonna weigh in on Sunday and upload the video on Sunday so I can make sure that I'm doing it every week, because the struggle is real out here in these streets, being a real life adult. But yes, I lost 4.7 pounds this week. Disclaimer, 2 of the days this week I was like not feeling good. I couldn't even eat, so I had like literally a smoothie for both days, like a big smoothie and like chicken. So that could have factored in too. So I don't know, like I said, but I didn't have carbs this week either, because remember I said last week I was gonna try like adding carbs into my diet, and then I had gained the weight. So I was like, oh no man, we're not doing that anymore. So I did take out the carbs, so that could also be a reason why. I'm not sure, guys, honestly. I don't know. I know that I was sick them 2 days. She was not feeling good, my stomach was hurting, but I still worked out. So, you know, working out with just a smoothie in your stomach, you know, you burned calories you didn't even have in your system, extra calories. So, hey, I don't know. I was supposed to do my measurements this week, but she forgot. So, we're just going to do them next week. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, this video is a hot mess this week. But, yes. This week, I'm just focusing on eating healthy. Like I said, I just started a new job, so just like, you know, focusing on like not eating office foods, eating healthy, sticking to my boxing class, which that's the easiest part, working out. And then for me, I don't want to make a universal statement, eating good is the hard part for me. Working out is okay, that's like a stress reliever, but like eating good is the hard part for me. So that's just me. You might be the opposite. So yes. Anything else I forgot? Y'all, I don't even know. I feel like I've left out so much stuff. This is so weird, like having such a short video, because this is totally not me. I'm like literally 7 minutes in still talking. But I think that's all. I lost the 4.7 pounds this week. I'm gonna start uploading on Sundays instead of Mondays because it's easier because I don't have to go to work on Sunday. Sticking to boxing, eating clean, back on my keto. And yeah, I'm excited to see what's gonna happen this week coming. Well, we're already on this week, so this week, see how things go. And I'll update you guys on Sunday. So yes, sorry about this trash video, but you guys got the point. And I hope you guys had a good week weigh-in. I've been seeing y'all's comments. Like, I know I don't comment on everybody's because I just like, I don't want to like, I feel bad like if I comment on one person's comment and not the other one, and there's like so many comments, there's no way for me to like literally comment. I mean, I could, but that would take a long time, and she ain't got time like that. But I don't want to sound mean, but I read the comments, and like, you guys motivate me. So keep commenting, telling me how much you lost, or if you didn't lose. Like, because when y'all were losing last week and I wasn't, I was like, But then like other people saying like, you know, when I lose and they don't, they feel some type of way too. So it's like good. It's like a good motivation. So please keep leaving comments. I definitely read them, and I put the hearts because I can't comment on everyone, but I do read them. And it's like, I like just like the feedback. So keep commenting, and we got 4 more weeks, guys, so we can do this, finish strong. Cool. I don't think I'm gonna make it to my 20-pound goal, guys, because we're 4 weeks in and I still have, my favorite says I have 15.3 pounds to lose to get to the 20-pound mark. So oh yikes, I'm not sure, but we'll see. You know, just have faith. But realistically, I don't know what's gonna happen. So yes, keep going, working hard. Make sure you comment, let me know how I did this week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.